What's up everyone, Anthony Esposito with eXp Realty. I am back out at Briarwood Estates in Richfield, Ohio to see this beautiful Bourges spec home. It is in its finishing touches. There's just a couple odds and ends left to do. This home is absolutely gorgeous. It features 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It has 3,415 square feet. It's priced at $789,990. And the best thing right now is the interest rate that you can get on this through Pulte is a 4.5%. That is absolutely amazing. But let's get inside and check out the finishing touches on this beautiful Bourges home. All right, let's take a look and see the finishes. Right off the bat, the entryway, so much nicer now that there's actual flooring that's in place. You can see the carpeting on the steps have been put in place. There's this nice, large den area, office. You can make it pretty much whatever you want. Just a whole nother living area right off the foyer. Coming further down, again, I love the wainscoting that they put in place. Got a little closet right there. Here's your half bath right off of the foyer. And again, there's still some things that are left to put in place. That mirror being one of them. You walk into your 2-story great room. Beautiful open concept. Off of the great room, you have a first floor master. You get a tray ceiling in here. Got a nice view out to that little pond that'll eventually get cleaned up. Going into your master bath, tons of cabinet space. Dual vanity, I love how much they actually give you. Large walk-in closet. And then a beautiful walk-in shower and a nice large soaking tub. I love the setup of the large walk-in showers. And then right in here, one of my favorite features of master bathrooms is the toilet being sectioned off. Let me know your thoughts on that. Do you mind either way, or do you prefer to have the toilet in its own little room? And as we come back out, let's go take a look at your nice large kitchen. Pendant lights, love them, different. There is going to be an actual hooded vent that's going in. That's what that little ductwork is that's hanging. Nice, wide, large island. You can easily fit 6 stools right there. I like the 2-tone between the island and then the rest of the cabinets. Let me know how you feel about that. Do you like the offset color on the island, or do you prefer them to be all the same color? And do you want to see white cabinets still? Notice there's more of a trend for darker cabinets, and I've actually begun to like the darker cabinets. But let me know. Your microwave, your oven, that little area would be perfect for like a little coffee bar section. Got your mud room off of your kitchen. Closet space, plenty. Walk in, nice large washer and dryer area. Got plenty of cabinets all in this laundry room. Love it. Couple uppers. If you're like me with kids, you understand what counter space means in a laundry room. And then of course you have a pretty good sized walk-in pantry off the kitchen. And out back there is tech decking, covered porch. And because this is a walkout basement, there will be railing put in. And speaking of that walkout basement, let's go head downstairs and take a look at the additional space that we have down there. And that does go down as actual square footage with it being a walkout. So that will factor in on the appraised value. It is very large down here. And what's really nice is they laid it out great with the mechanicals. I cannot stand when they put the mechanicals like right in the middle of a basement. But this is done up nicely. You got the iron beams, so only just a couple of the poles coming down. You could dress those up with some beautiful column. And like I said, it is a very large basement down here. I would love to see this completely finished, done up, kind of see what people like come up with for their design. And of course there's your walkout, a nice little area to put a patio. And this is what I was talking about with the mechanicals. They are offset in the back right here. You can pretty much build your wall out. You just take that, build that wall out right along that line, and all of this area back here, which is large, you're about to see, is perfect for storage. Keeps all your mechanicals away, hidden. There's no random rooms in the finished area. They did a tremendous job. And like I said, there's plenty of storage. All right, let's go head upstairs and see the second floor. I like the straight pieces there, the iron pieces, compared to the spiral spindles. I am over the spiral spindles. I like the clean looks. Let me know how you feel about those. Nice closet right there. And right off of this area, this is a huge room that is up here. For me, this would definitely be like the kids' playroom and just kind of keep them out of, you know, the same floor, especially when they're getting a little wild. Could possibly even use that as like a nice, like a game room or theater room. There's your 2-story great room. Just outside the 2 bedrooms. Got a nice large main bath, dual vanity sink. And then you have the toilet and the shower tucked away in its own room. Again, well thought out. So at least this way, if one of the kids is taking a shower or a guest is taking a shower, whatever the case is, you can still get into the bathroom. And both of these bedrooms are equal sizes, walk-in closets. There you have it. There is the beautiful Bourges spec home built by Pulte Homes, located in Ridgeville Village, Ohio. If you are interested in this home at all, or if you have any interest in Briarwood Estates, contact me directly here, or you can go in the description below, click on my calendar link, book a call with me. Either way, I'd love to help you out like I have many others. If you enjoyed this property tour, be sure to smash the like button. It's greatly appreciated. If you haven't already, click subscribe, turn notifications on so you can stay up to date on all my real estate property tours, tips, tricks, insights, you name it, I got it coming your way. And also, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this Bourges model by Pulte Homes. I absolutely love the layout. I really like the fact that it has a walkout basement just to give that added space that go down, especially on that appraised value. And I like all the touches that they put into it, but let me know how you feel about it. If you want to see some more properties from Pulte, check out the one next to me. This is another stunning model right here in Briarwood Estates.